Hi, welcome to A Girl's Travel Diaries, where I share with you my experiences traveling in different parts of the world. So today I'm going to be showing you my packing for a trip to Europe for 1 week. So just to take you through the highlights of the things that I must put in here. And as you can see, this is a very small case. I have a smaller carry-on, but this is like the medium carry-on that I have. And I'm using this because it's going to be 7 days, and I also want to leave some room for maybe shopping and adding of other things. So the first part will be the main compartment, which has like a zipper, as you can see. So I'm just gonna put basically for the week I just need 2 pairs of jeans because 7 days is not such a long time, so 2 pairs of jeans are enough. Then of course it's autumn, so and I don't like the cold, so basically I have to be sure that I carry some clothes that are a bit warm, but again not too warm. So what I've decided to do is to carry these are polo necks. So these 2 polo necks, very ideal for that weather. Then one sort of formal shirt, put that in there. Then sweater tops. These are very light sweater tops, so you can really layer up. So I'm carrying 2 of these. And then just a generic t-shirt. So I have here 2 jeans which I can recycle in 2 different days. So there's like 4 days covered. Then I have with me 2 sweater tops for 2 days, t-shirt and a generic top. So and the 2 polos. So in fact, even this is a lot more clothes than I need for the week, to be honest. And then I like this small little kind of tops and tees because they're very good for layering up. So I'm carrying quite a number of them, maybe different colors, and I have to figure out which one to wear when. And one dress, just in case I need to go for a dinner or something like that, then I can have a nice dress that I will put. And this is like a midi dress, so I can wear it with some stockings. So that's it in terms of clothes. Then the other important things are the tights. So I'll just have maybe 2 pairs of tights. So the good thing with these in Europe and is that you can just wear this with the top. I don't have to put anything in else, or I can put them inside my jeans. So that's the other advantage of this kind of tops. So I'll just squeeze them in the corners somewhere. Then once I'm done with that, the next part of the scarf. So you need like at least 2 scarves. So I'm only seeing I've only put 1 here. I need to add another one. Maybe I'll travel in it. Then I'm just then a face towel is always important. It's good to have a face towel and another tiny towel. So, but I'm still contemplating whether to carry the towel or not. I don't really mind using hotel towels, so maybe this might just be an additional luggage for no reason. So maybe I'll leave it. I'll just put the face towel there. And then the next part that is most important is underwear. So I'm just gonna carry a lot of these stockings. So because I'm not sure of how I'm gonna tolerate that weather, it's already below 20 degrees during the day and I think slightly below 10 during the night. So I'm carrying different kinds of stockings. So I'm carrying different thickness of stockings. So these are very light, but the advantage of this kind of stockings is that they adjust to the weather. So during the cold season they cool you down, during the warm season they warm you up. This is slightly heavier Then I'm also carrying a very thick type of stocking. So with these three, I'm actually set. Going to put in my other underwear. The very important thing is these headbands. They come in very handy, especially if you're traveling in braids. You can always throw the headbands. I'm going to carry like assorted headbands. Putting them in here. And then the most important thing are the socks. So I've carried about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is more or less enough for the 7 days. 1 pair for each day. And remember, I also have stocking, so no big deal. And then if you're not sure about the weather, I like to just carry some gloves for the night. This is something very mandatory to have. These are like compression stockings, so if you get like swollen legs over long flights, I always like to have this, but I'm not gonna put them here. They'll be in my hand luggage. So I think that's it. So this part is more or less done. I don't shut my suitcase until the last minute. So then I'll put this here. And the other important thing is now the bathroom bag. So I'll just show you what's inside. So basically, for the bathroom bag, a lot of wet wipes, shower caps, this kind of things, toothbrush, toothpaste, shavers. And then this is important. I have to put sort of everything in this kind of see-through bag in case I decide to carry this luggage as a carry-on. So basically what you see inside is just a facial cleanser, roll-on, face creams, shower gel, and the largest one is a body lotion, which you can see is basically 100 ml. So I'll put these together as one. Then a headband. The other thing that's very important is this plug for the European style plug, because the adapters are different from ours, so you have to have this kind of a multi-plug. But this one I'll put in the hand luggage together with my neck pillow and my jacket for the trip. I'm not going to carry a heavy coat because it's autumn, so just a heavy jacket. Then of course it's important to have this belt, because I'm not traveling in jeans, but just to avoid the hassle of removing your belt at every checkpoint. I'm still debating whether to carry these two, and this is what will determine whether I'm going with the hand luggage or just going to check in my bag. So this, I prefer to use a Dio, and I have this big Dio, so if I decide to go the carry-on way, then I'll leave this and stick to the roll-on. Then I'm also having braids, so I need a braid spray, but I didn't remember to buy like a smaller bottle. So either I'll transfer a little bit to a small bottle, then that way I can just carry on, or if I decide to go with this, then I may have to check in my luggage. So then the other thing that's left here will be, I'll add in some tackies, because I'm going to travel with in boots, but I'll also have some spare tackies, some sports shoes. So that's what I'll throw in there. And more or less, I forgot the most important thing that I'm going to carry with me is my weighing scale. So this is a portable scale that I think anyone traveling must have. So it's about maybe $30. So this I have to carry with me, and I'll weigh this one. I don't even need to weigh this baggage, because I can already see it's even less than 10 kilos. But yeah, when coming back, I'm sure I'll need to weigh the baggage. So I'm not carrying a big sized luggage, but in case I shop, then I'll be forced to buy a bag there and come back with it. More or less that's it. And then maybe for my other carry-on will be my laptop and a few bathroom things. So I'll pick maybe a bit of underwear, one t-shirt, something to keep with me in case I decide to check in the luggage, just in case your luggage gets lost. So that's quite important to always have something, a change of clothes in your carry-on. Then for the makeup, normally I'll just take my makeup bag the way it is. Yeah, so if you like the video, if you're getting value out of this video, remember to subscribe, to click the like, comment. I'm curious to hear some of your tips, and also to see if there's anything you feel I should carry that I left behind. And yeah, so stay tuned. I will be keeping you posted as I travel throughout the next place. I'll be going to a country in Europe, and in case I do some shopping, I will also come and unpack the shopping with you. So stay tuned. Bye.